he's freaking editing our freaking pro part. Editing Seth's scuba clips. Yeah, he's editing Seth's scuba clips.
Iced coffee, I need you in the morning.
He wants, he's kind of freaking.
For a surfy.
He's filming great. We're recording a song.
Holy Lord.
What?
Holy Lord.
approximately 6:22. My watch is a minute fast. Got a high tide.
Oh, he's on time.
Got a high tide of about 4 feet.
The setup.
Michael. Wait.
Micro.
Whoa, Blu-ray.
Looks like a cock.
Better mix.
Fuck yeah. What else did you get? What else did you get? What else, bro? What else?
Toasted wrap.
We're live.
Live in the flat.
Yeah, Tank.
Dude, look at that back.
Look at that. I know, dude. Holy shit. Flex it harder, bro.
And we keep it moving, because if the boneyards was not enough, our surfers will be facing off with Tank the Shredder Evans. Tank, 9 times.
Oh my god, dude. Get out of this guy's way. Oh yeah, is that your G? Oh, this one thing? Yeah. Oh, this one thing? This one thing? It's no big deal.
How'd you start your morning?
Yogi squat. It's warm up. You gotta put your leash on while you shred.
While you stretch, alright. Leash on, bro. It just appeared on.
Huh?
It just appeared on.
I know. I didn't even have to put
You
it
didn't,
on.
you didn't do
It's like
anything.
a magnet. It's a new technology.
Oh, it's just a dog.
Then you
in
go with
back
the
end.
touch the toes.
Touch the
forward
toes.
fold. And then you just like run out. Dude, are you kidding me, Brayden?
Took some pills and I'm up all night. Stars are burning in the morning light. My best friend's at home with his wife. Nobody wants to party with me. 20 pills and I should be gone. I'm throwing up in your front lawn. Your lights are out, but I know you're home. Nobody wants to party with me. Nobody wants to party with me.
Oh, wait, because I remember last time I climbed with the longboards in the back.
Oh, that's it. That's right.
It's
Fucking so hot in here. Nah, you just kind
Can we drop that top?
Just freaking send it there.
Can we drop the top?
No, without tape.
That's only for the kids.
No, top drop.
Oh, dude, you got frisbees in here.
I do got. I'm loaded. I got 2 more in
Bro,
the back
what?
too.
You gotta run some frisbee.
Dude,
Yeah, it wasn't a trillion degrees out.
You ever play frisbee golf, bro?
No.
That's stoner habits.
It's too organized.
We're not stoners.
We are nice,
We play
respectable men. Dude, it's
regular golf.
this thing starts right now.
First tray? It's because it's so fucking hot. The
Yeah,
oil
it's
is so fucking liquidated.
Dying to start.
God. Sorry. Wait, look at me with your hair, bro. Look at this dude, bro. Look at the freaking shred his hair, dude. Let me fingerboard your hair.
You wanna what my hair?
I wanna. Wait, Gav, come back, Gavin. Hi, Gav.
Typical Gavin drive-by right there.
Just fucking.
Just get the middle finger and
Get the middle.
fucking. Let's go to creek.
Just got a fucking creek, bruh. Let me fucking back paddle you on every wave, bruh.
I moved out to the country. With my bigger loving 40.
What's the rundown, bro? What are we up to?
Food, hungry.
Give us the details.
So we're here to eat some food because I'm fucking starving. And, yeah, we had an insane surf today, Shakas. And, now we're gonna get some insane food. Double shots. Okay?
Triple.
Triples.
Quads?
Where are we?
Quads? Quad Diamond Tail?
Quad Diamond Tail?
Quad Diamond Tail Shakas?
It's a revolution.
Come on, add to the pile. We got a double.
Quad chocolate.
Quad.
Quad chocolate. Triple chocolates.
I'm also shocking you with the hand that's holding the camera. You just can't see.
That is true. I have visual evidence. All right, man. Let me out of this thing.
What's the secret password?
Double chocolates.
No.
I'm out of here.
No. Chad, he's about to serenade me. Look at this guy. See the fingering. Well, am I a lucky girl? Indo board.
Indonesia?
Boards.
Rupiah?
Indo boards.
It's been.
How to Indo board with Brayden?
You just fucking do it.
You just fucking hop on.
Yeah, just fucking hop on. Stand your feet over.
He's floating.
I'm so freaking.
All I'm filming is the feet, man. That's what the people want.
OnlyFans, check me out.
Out there. OnlyFans out there.
Oh.
No!
Change sexes, guys.
I'm a woman now.
He's not a woman.
Watch yourself.
This is the digital world.
You can film me editing.
Can I film you editing while you're editing, and then you put this editing in at the time that you're editing this?
Wait.
What are you looking at, bro?
What?
Wait, go back. What was this, bro? What are you looking at? What does the box say?
Bombadita, 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 happy trails to you. Bombadita, 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 bombadita. Who cares about
the clouds when we're together. Just sing a song and think about sunny weather. Happy trails to you till we meet again.